Explain myself. Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Sophie oughta cut up to you. Yeah.
Guys, I think you will be familiar to these places if you have visited this place around. So these all narrow lanes are filled with the cafes around. Like we have Pasitano, we have Bodhi Tree, Veronica Cafe, and all the Insta cafes, all the trending cafes around. So this is the hardcore street of Bandra, we can say. मतलब बैंड्रा में जो यंगस्टर्स हैं, जो यूथ है, सबके सब सैटरडे संडे को यहीं पे रहते हैं, मतलब मोस्टली. Whenever you come to this part of Bombay, it just feel like you're reading the old chapter of Bombay with the narrow and exotic lanes and colorful street around. So it just feel the retro movies and vintage filters around. So this is called the Narang Lane of Bombay in Bandra. What is the best thing about this place? You can't get bored in these kind of places. Like every time you'll come here, so every time something new you will find here. Like the development and all is also happening here. These are one of the most aesthetic lanes I've ever seen in Bombay. Just check it around. Oh, you want to play? Only. So guys, this is the end of the series, end of part 2, and I hope you liked the video. So you can hit the thumbs up, you can comment, and if you want I should explore the places in Bombay, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Be happy, stay healthy, take care, see you.